it's really like a getaway from things in life. Bad things, or like when you're feeling sad, you get to express yourself on the bike. I love going fast. The point where you work best with the bike and the bike working at the point, that's too fun. I love that, so that's why I bike.
I'm Abhijit, I'm a downhill racer, I'm from Maharashtra. I race national level and races all around the country. Pune is one of the places where downhill really picked up in India. All the riding scenes were mostly isolated to Panchavati or Siagarh or the hills which have a slightly higher elevation because those were giving races for longer track. But Slade used to live near here. When he moved in, he needed a place to ride every day, just come and go type of before college. Pashan wasn't exactly looked at as a place where you can go ride and train every day because it's a small hill, you can't have long trails. But what Slade tried and experimented was that instead of making long trails, he was just making very short sessions. Let's say you just make one corner and you try and master that corner, just session. It started by building just corners to corners, just berms to berms. Then slowly those berms started connecting. They started becoming small trails. And then eventually it grew into like a small network of trails. So that is what Pashan is. I came into the scene when it was very initial. I came into the scene where like only one trail existed. So I have seen this place grow from quite the beginning. No, there's no formal training. It's just us learning from us, smoking us.
So I'm Virendra Mali. I'm from Pune and I ride at Pashan. I got in mountain biking through a friend, Abhijit, and he joined my school. Then he had some hype around him about some expensive cycle. Then he got me to ride, and then I rode at Pashan for the first time.
My name is Arnav Sahil. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Pune. For the first time, I was following Abhijit down the main trail. So Abhijit asked me like, do you know how to ride? And I said like, yeah, I've watched some YouTube videos and all. I know the basic stuff, but I didn't. So I just sat on the bike, I started rolling. I panicked and I crashed very first one. I just loved the sport. Like I knew like crashes and all happen. My dad also supported me. He's like, it's okay if you crash. I rode that day also. I came next day and I kept riding.
I'm Pranay Suraj. I've been riding the bike for about 8 years now, since 2015. So I was into cycling for a while and then I broke a few bones initially, but then I was a kid so I didn't realize it much. But later on, about 4 years back, I was hitting this big gap and I broke my arm. So I dislocated my shoulder and broke all my fingers. So after that, it was a little tough to get back on the bike, but somehow managed and broke my ankles again. The things are done together only.
Yeah.
Training, we all train together. We ride together, we scout together, we build together. So it's like a...
Your June, like small group.
kind of
I
good,
ride a lot individually because these guys stay far and they cannot ride as regularly as me.
But there was a point we used to train every
Almost.
single day. It's basically like riding with fast riders makes you also faster.
Yeah.
So
Arnav is known as the intern. He's like
he's the
the
youngest
guy.
one out of us.
They get all the work done from me. So whenever there is like too many people in one car, so they just push me out of the roof.
Finding out about nationals is quite easy. Cycling Federation of India, they just post a circular. Once it's on their website, it circulates immediately.
Going into nationals interesting will be. Might have to risk my education also. If there is NSEM, I'm gonna ditch it in semester exams. According to current information, Gyan Garada are doing pretty good.
I haven't got much
Also
practice,
doing
but I'll see. I have college 9 to 5 and I have practice.
क्या plan क्या है Pranay का? Pranay still doesn't have a bike.
So I was looking for bikes for about 8 months. I had a few options, including this bike. But then I was searching for a new bike. And then no one was coming to India or getting a bike to India, and Indian retailers also didn't have a bike. So last moment I bought this bike, got it here. So first one was at the National Track. I definitely have a mechanical disadvantage, so that's a big setback. So
Seeding is just a race run, and it decides the start order for the final run. So the last rider coming on finals has given the fastest seeding run.
Imagine myself riding in my head, like I remember the track, I remember my lines, I try to focus on my lines, and basically I pictured my whole run in my head, like again and again. So that's how like I get in the zone and focus.
For today, I think qualification is a big deal for me right now.
Ready?
Yeah.
So तुम लोग को क्या लगता है like who's the biggest competition right now over here?
Bow steering is
I have the highest
steering has at least 15 degrees of delay and 30 degrees of inaccuracy
Canyon के आए
and about 60% chance of like casually failing, like ऐसा एकदम explosion.
I had a clean run.
Yeah.
I just had a couple in the middle, but like that's 5-6 seconds at the max. So I think I'll still qualify within the top 10, I guess. Top 10 would be comfortable. I think fastest qualifying would be Viru. Ismail was also fast, and I saw one of the Darjeeling boys who came really fast. But my biggest doubt is Pranay smoking us all, I think.
How was your run?
I smoked them all.
Oh, gira.
There's a lot of pressure on me. I'm gonna be the last one dropping in, so I think Pasham boys did a very good job because like the track is more of our style. So Pranay fucked up a bit, but that's alright. Considering his stem is in my hand.
Very bad because I qualified at least. Before that, I wasn't sure I'll qualify. After the race, for almost 2 hours, we sat and tried to figure out how to get the original parts working.
No, it's 13.
Disappointed in myself, like I expected at least like top 8 in seeding run, but it's fine because yesterday's run was quite clean and decent. Like I didn't push that much, I aimed for a clean run. So yeah, I'm just gonna push for that, like only one chance.
Let's see. So today we find out. Today everyone will be pushing. For the best. If I stay on the bike.
My run was good. I got a clean run. I pushed it hard, but it's definitely not enough for a win. For now, I think I'm on 5.2 or 5.3, and Zero's camera POV has him on about 4.6. That's a major margin. So definitely not winning, Let's see if I'm in like top 4 or something. I might be able to make it to Asians.
So the run was good up till the bottom of the course. Before the last bump, I caught up to the guy in front of me. So I think that was fast. But then my bike started washing out and I fell into the ridge. Could have made it to top 4 without the crash, but with the crash, 15 seconds went right there. So 15 seconds is a big gap.
My run was like exactly same like the seeding run, and like it was fast at some places, but I fucked up in 3 corners. So I guess the timing would be same as the seeding run. I don't think I would come in top 10. No, I'm not happy with my run. Like I could have pushed more. Like yeah, I regret thoda like not pushing more.
Good. I put a good run, I think. Yeah, better than yesterday. According to the time, I did better than yesterday. By quite a big margin. So hopefully that's good enough for a win. Then that's a 148. One लागला पाहिजे.
I get a smaller one.
Pranay is good at it. I think it's Marble gone.
Fuck me.
But that's 45.638.
Penalty.
But yeah, he's saying this is not the final PDF. But according to this, I'm second. Ismail is first, then there's Meban, then Abshay, then Abhijit 5th. So I'm second, Abhijit 5th. Arno is 12th.
Okay, 2 minutes 3. I'm happy with my run.
21st.
I aimed for under 2
And I'm
minutes 5
22.
seconds. I got 2
21.
minutes 3 seconds run.
Go back.
But it wasn't enough.
But congratulations, you're selected. Okay, I'm selected for Asians.
Kharad is out.
Virat is out. It's slightly rough, but yeah, we'll find a final PDF. Good run, bro. Rest with it's Marvel to pull a better time than that. I think he's the second better than me. But yeah, let's excited for the Asians, bro. Asians will be sick.
Nice.
Really excited for that. Off to training. More building at Pashan.
This is like the selection happening all over again basically. The last selection that happened was, I'm guessing, about 6 months ago. So over a span of 6 months, a lot can change with athletes' fitness, form. Some people get injured, some people get a lot better. The racers for camp have been selected from the previous results of national champs. Fastest rider wins. Top 4 are selected. We have 6 riders in our cat. Top 4 get to be part of the Indian national mountain bike team.
And it's painful, but during the race run it'll feel okay. Ho jayega. Worried about hitting my hand again, but that is if I crash. But let's go.
Best of 2 runs. 2, 1, go!
First run, I was like my fastest for now. Second run, I was like, let's go all in. And yeah, bike got caught. I didn't fall, but very rough and slow.
I got a flat, but I pushed through and I still got first place. Fixed the flat on at the bottom, went back up. Second run, Ismail got me by a 2-second margin, but I improved on my own time by 3 seconds. Kinda satisfied.
फर्स्ट जा रहे इस्मामुल हक है 249.926 in Q. Second is Abjis 252.399. Third is Upsai 253.759. And fourth is Mali 259.238. And fifth is Titus Swiss 259.978. So microseconds. Last is Jawar Ali 311.727.
The bet is if Gerard beats me, he can give me a haircut. And man did. He's feeling his win now. अभी उसको मजा आ रहा है. मैं दर्द में और दर्द हो रहा है मुझे. ज़्यादा गिरा.
ए भाई कंगी काय को चाहिए डायरेक्ट मारने का है
प्रिसीजन चाहिए.
ऐसे करो यार, ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो?
I have a flat and my tire is not seating. To do 2 runs in practice or I can't take my seating.
After my selection run, my first run, finally I was allowed on track as a sweep rider. I'm not in the team now. See, selections, the main selection. 2 days before I hurt my wrist ligament, is still hurting. But then I gave the seeding run and then I got into the team, 4th place and 5.5 seconds से पीछे Titus था. Then after like few days, coach decided to put a selection between me and Titus. I don't know, because the reason was injury, but I had already raced with an injury. Yes, so selections हुआ and in that selections I couldn't make it. Titus got in and then I was 5th reserve. Now I'm the team manager, the track sweeper for the UCI CFI. Track sweeper is just clear the track. So finally today I can do my, actually go on the course. Before this I wasn't even allowed. Very disrespectful, but everything down the drain.
There is a beautiful track of the Ponmudi Hills that has been laid out in the Murchison estate. These officials are from different part of the Asian Cycling Confederation, and you see the officials there getting ready.
I'm stressed out. I'm trying to be calm because so far my day was rough. I had a flat in practice. I couldn't get my tire to seat back on my rim, and it was quite the adventure. But we got it back in time. I'm here and I'm ready for my seeding.
3, 2, 1, go!
My runs paced not too fast. I didn't let it all hang out. Just pushed through it, kept it clean most importantly. For tomorrow, I'm going to let off the brakes a lot more. That is what I've saved for tomorrow. If I'm in top 10, I'll be happy with that.
And there you see the beautiful track there, and that is the starting point, which is at the top of this hill. Culminates at the tea factory that we have here. It's a very curious event for the people, those who are living here. They have taken up their seats.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
This is the most elite of the cyclists, the men elite category. Ahmed Tahmid Chowdhury of Bangladesh. On the screen you can see number 69, Ramatuga Adi of Indonesia. Kashun Chong of Hong Kong. That is 127, Batbaya Tumurbat of Mongolia. And that was the next cyclist, Thapan Magar of Nepal. Shivkit Kong of Hong Kong. Ismail Haq of India. Upsai Griffith Nyangpi of India. And that is number 45, that's a Shiv Marak of India. That is Abhijit Gharat of India. And that is finished by India. Zain Janjian of Iran. So number 70 is there ready Wendy Barrera Sanjaya of Indonesia. So flying off from the starting block, Metazit Bunzani. The last cyclist to start is number 20, Sheng Chiang of the Chinese side. So that was the last cyclist of the men elite downhill individual.
I have a small crush. Probably could have gotten a good timing, but no regrets. Just really happy to be here today.
So dear viewers, now we have the winners of the men elite category here.
Difference between us and the top dogs is one experience. We do have skills. This batch of BH riders from India, their very first time. I know this is going to change things for the sport a lot. We didn't have an opportunity coming to us in a federation so far. This opportunity has opened up a lot of things. People have seen us put down our best and people loved it. People are proud. It's going to open up a whole new perspective for racers who feel that there is no scope, because so far there was no scope. Personally, what's next for me is, that is 10 days from now, I need to clear my final year exams. The next 3 weeks or something, I'll be back at Pashan riding, I guess, every day.